Alright guys, so just got done putting down my first application of N-EXT, and just going to take you around, walk and talk for a minute. I always do the sitting down and have a drink, but it's a, what is today? Wednesday night. Sorry about the wind. I'll try to get out of the wind a little bit here. So anyway, I put my first application of N-EXT down. I went heavy last month. Well, it'll be a month on Saturday. So I'm a little bit early, but I got a lot of rain in the forecast, so I really wanted to take advantage. Got to turn the water on here for the next zone, so give me 1 second here. That's way too long. Just want to water the N-EXT in. I got dogs, so I always like to turn the water on, knock it down a little bit. Even though I think they'll be fine with it, it's pretty, I don't think there's that much synthetic in it. Anyway, all right, so N-EXT is down. I actually did a sprinkler repair. Hope you can see that. Put in that. Actually, that one was replaced. That one is a new one. Hope you guys are seeing this. I'm not very good with the camera this way. That one's always been there. I added that sprinkler. And then this sprinkler was right here, and I moved it to here. And then I'm actually adding some sprinklers. I haven't dug them out and put them in yet, but I've got these three. You can see barely, sorry. But there's a sprinkler there, and then there's another one over there by the shed. So I've added 3 more sprinklers. I'm hoping that I'll get a little bit better coverage this year. It's really not bad during the spring when I'm getting some rain. I have pretty good coverage, but I have a couple areas, and I have a couple more that I need to work on that are just, they just don't get enough water. So by adding in a couple more, I think I'm going to get a little bit better coverage and hopefully keep the green as long as possible. So also this week, I ended up putting down some ant, grub, flea, tick control, and what else did I do? Cut the lawn, just all the regular stuff. You know, it's spring now. Did some edging. With being stuck at home, I've definitely occupied my time with a lot of busy work that I've been meaning to get to. So that's just a quick update. The lawn is definitely looking pretty good. It's nice and green. I have a couple spots. I did repair this sprinkler a couple of weeks ago, and you can even see even this one where I had to dig back and fix it. The grass is, the Bermuda is already actively growing in there as well. So off to a great start. All the products seem to be working pretty good. Probably the greenest I've ever been on the 1st of April. And so I'm pretty excited about that. And I've got 4 days of rain in the forecast. I think the lowest temperature I have is 59. So hopefully we'll be in pretty good shape as far as the weather goes, and kind of keeping things green and growing. So I'm cutting it about every 2 to 3 days right now, and I'll plan on continuing to do that throughout the summer. So that's the update. I've got a couple other videos I'll throw in and attach with this one, so enjoy it. Hope you're enjoying your lawn and being safe and healthy out there. Have a good one. It's April 1st, and I'm putting it down. N-EXT, baby.